woza Talking Sundowns apha kusoka beat yethu umjaka lo phethe uLindo Pep umququzeli weSundowns apho umbona khona nje ulapha ake ngokunina ndiyanibona kwi-comments jonga niyamthanda namhlanje ngomsa nimthandi niyavumelana naye next week anivumelani naye ndiyayithanda loo nto so ke sibuyile ke uLindo Pep versus ama-comments wenu apha kusoka beat yethu yazi ntoni Lindo lamajita ayibona isoka beat yethu awayazi uba i-different from usoka beat yabo apha sithetha i-Venex sithetha yonke into enke ngoku abayazi bafuneka basubscribe nalapha yona Lindo over 90% yabo ababukelayo abasubscribe yazi and bayabukela ama numbers atsho Lindo bakhona mara basubscribe bafethu ngicela ni subscribe khabaxelele Lindo
ngicela ni subscribe bafethu ila sihlinza khona inkomo ila ikari sistripha khona bafethu understand sibiza amagrotmani siwagadare sihlale phansi sihlepuleni sidiscuss sihlepule bafethu ngicela ni subscribe and hit the subscription button you don't have to pay anything, it's just nje and out.
And uzothola uLindo every week ethetha ngeSundowns ethetha ngecomments zenu ungambuza anything anything uzayihlinza anything umnike uthi nathi inkomo ngicela uyihlinze uze nayo Lindo hayi ukhona uLindo uzakuhlinzela Lindo mayilula thethwa ngaye kakhulu nje yami cash and buchilo wathi kusekho lo ubuyile ke uyayenza into yakhe uyayenza wenze zakhe adume ngazo ucash and ke ngokuLindo ama-fans ayakhuluma nje yami I'm impressed with Cassius Mailula. With these performances, he surely will be part of Bafana Bafana. That's Kakhisho. Vukani na uya-eda Lindo uthi this boy is going straight to Bafana Bafana. Nonathi Zulu uvumelana nabo Lindo uthi naye Dumiso Ndu, it doesn't matter who the coach is. The boy is going to Bafana. Ndakuxelela Lindo. Ku-Cassius yedwa lo. Zininzi ezi comments zithetha ngento eyi-one. Azithethi nge-goals ngothini zithi straight to Bafana Bafana uthini wena
inkalakatha zami ngivumelana nazo Jack ngivumelana inkalakatha zami kuma comment section because if you look at the profile kaCash, that is the profile that we've always needed in the national team. Excellent in terms of Jaga ama defensive responsibilities wakho untwana uyakwazi ukuchase man, another ability umfana nayo ukukora nga both feet. I think Leo ability Mjaga is a quality that esidingayo massively in the national team. I think also umfana une ability yokudlala ama position are different. Sometimes umbona on the wide side, sometimes umbona as a number 10, sometimes umbona as a half 9. Une ability also sometimes yokudlala as a target man. The role le dlala abo Laili, the role le dlala abo Makgopa, but he's a different profile momcheka in terms of our abilities are now. And he's a clinical finish. Umfana ipali uyalazi akadingi nokuthi alibheke uma uchecka le goal alikore izolo Mjaka bhekanga nokulibheka ibhola ilentuzo receiver ngo left finish and umcheke both feet comfortable and leyo nto le imenza ukuthi abe unpredictable. So for me mangichecka ucoach Pitso I know ukuthi uthanda ama forwards ane energy ungikhumbuza a little bit unama movements ka Percy Tau, so I know that Pitso will enjoy that, so ngiyavumelana namajita with regards to Cassius being in the national team. Goal scoring 3 goals since afikile so far.
Kuzothiwa ke uLindo mina ndi curious ke ngokuba uthi uzodlala AP ke kanye i-role because Masithi uyabhikwa ke ngo and ke ngokuthiwa qala ngaye put him as the first name on your score on your team sheet.
I think in a national team Mjaka, you prepare the team completely different to a league game. Cassius can help you second half, where the game is 1-1, and you need someone or runner behind the striker, or you need umuntu odlala emapokotweni so that akwazi ukulinka nama winger, akwazi ukulinka in midfield, but also a connect and a striker. So you can use Cassius differently. Sometimes udlala ne team edlala ngama defender slow, and you need someone on EP odlala in between ama pockets okwazi ukurunner behind the defense. Then you can use Cassius because if Ikram. And this is the challenge sometimes because Ikram at Mamelodi Sundowns he doesn't play, which jeopardizes his role in national team. But if you check out Ikram, you check Renas, maybe the profile is different, but the functions are the same. Because in football, a role you can define a role. You can say we number 10, le dlala edropa deep eba number 8 or udlala le number 10 overloader esayidini, udlala le number 10 overloader esayidini or udlala le number 10 edlala uCassius, which is to be closer to the striker. So uCassius ukunika those possibilities. That's why I'm saying when you are looking at him, I think that's one of the reasons why abuyile futhi kuSundowns mjaka. Ubuye kuSundowns because ufuna ukuzinika an opportunity yokudlala in the national team. Abo Cassius are not emotional players. They are professionals and they've got the right people around them. But I understand Abo Cassius ukuthi okay, ngiluzile le World Cup. But maybe for me, ukuthi ngizirevive. Let me come back into a team and understand the style of play, a team and understand the environment, and understand the league. Equality da uCassius ngeke sithi uCassius akalazi ibhola. Sometimes it's a matter of being unlucky. Uyakwazi ukuba sendaweni wrong at the wrong time as well. Uchoose ne-team wrong where you don't fit. You know, when maka MLS Hugo Prosper complain ukuthi where is he gonna play because they had a super squad at the time. He was playing the FIFA Club World Cup, no Rulani, with you Widat as well, no Lodge. And he was a starter there. If you are saying Mutemi Lodge was a starter in Widat 2 years ago, whatever that happened, you know, he just needs game time. You know, is he ready for the national team right now in this present moment in time? I would say yes, because Makgopa injured. But if Makgopa was available, I would have given Makgopa that opportunity because of the fact that he continuity. You know, you need to give continuity. But the fact that Makgopa injured, I think you need to consider Cassius.
And bandikuva nakakuhle Lindo, uCassius umpika because ungamdlala any whichever role. So whether uzamdlalisa as a starter or off the bench, kuba ikunikeza weapons needs izinjalo, you know, akakho one dimensional. I-option ofuneka at least, especially uzopika isquad, ube nayo lo option noba sekutheni bandikuva kahle ne.
Yeah, yazi Mjaka, sometimes in football when you're a coach, when you're thinking, when you have a player like Cassius, you're thinking I can change the system, number one, I can change the role, I can define the role, but also I also need the impact because sometimes in international football, individual brilliance is important. Tactical and structural intelligence is what you need. Cassius has had the best coaching. And amount of check a tactical, you can change the structure. You can say, okay, ngidlala nga 2 number 10s, lento yenziwe iSundowns izolo. I change the structure where awusadlali udlala nge-3-4-3 where you have Cassius, maybe you have another number 10, a striker. You can say, okay, I'm playing with a 4-3-3 where in number 10 here is Cassius with the striker. You can define the role. You know, you can define the role. You can play a 4-2-3-1 where the number 10, Axi, with number 10, he's almost like a second striker. You know, that's why I'm saying Cassius gives you those different possibilities. If you want to overload as well, because football is a game of overload. If football is a game, yama 1v1, 2v1, you can always say the winger, the fullback likes to overlap. Because that's why there's analysts in international football who tend to overlap. See, no winger any quick, but let's shine a 2v1 center back in that space. Let's use Cassius to overload on the left hand side because Unama half moon runner intelligent. He's got positional intelligence. You can see with the goals scoring, he's always at the right place at the right time.
It doesn't matter who the coach is. This boy is still going to Bafana. Masiye kuNdlovu. Kuthiwa kunengxaki entsha kwi-Sundowns wena Lindo. But ke abayeki abantu be-Pirates ukuthi kahle wena Lindo, we know Ndlovu went to Sundowns because of money. That's siyabonga Ominati. Uthini ngaleyo?
One, I don't know how many percent of it is true. Ubani kama?
Siyabonga Ominati.
Oh, Ominati, I'll tell you. There's a part of it which is true. We all have bills to pay at some, you know, for sure. The salary at Mamelodi Sundowns, you know, would probably have been better. I don't know. I'm not in those conversations. Actually, let's put that one aside because we are not in those boardrooms. Let's talk about what is a possibility. Number one, the boy might have been looking at the fact that I want to play international football. The door is closer at Mamelodi Sundowns because of international competitions, African Champions League, and so many. There's more to win this season at Mamelodi Sundowns. But obviously, you can also say there's a lot to be won at Pirates as well. And also, I'm a trophy. If you feel, you can say I'm a trophy as a Orlando. But Mchaka, I did say on yesterday's show, I genuinely believe, Mchaka, this was a signing to stop Orlando Pirates from retaining a player that was going to win them the league again. I think Mina Undlovu is a ceiling raiser. I think that if you look at it, yeah.
So should we give ke ngoku sivane nale comment ka Khandali Mejela kwakhe Maguzumela, Khandali Mejela kwakhe Maguzumela uthi Flemingberg knows his story. Should we then sithi Flemingberg udlalile upantsulile lapha ke ngoku because ufike just in time ngoba lo mfana besiye Orlando besiye
Ile nto engizakuyisho mjaka. Ile nto engishoyo mjaka ukuthi here you give Flemingberg credit but you also give nabantu aba-advisor nomfana. Maybe abantu abafana nabo Steve Kompela badlale a role. Manqoba Mngqithi, Coach Manqoba told us about this boy. And then underestimate the relationship. Coach Manqoba has spent 12 years at Mamelodi Sundowns. Don't underestimate the relationships that he's built there. And I'm sure there's an advice I got to the football club to say, this is the profile anything at the football club. Because coach Naya, when he was still there in Chaka, and I'll get to Flemingberg, he always spoke about Ukdala on direct. He's always an emphasizer. They tried it about him in Nkosi Lodge. They tried it with Odisang. They tried it with Munapule Salim. We are babona Dalam Jaka bafuna that profile at the football club. Ribeiro since Hambile. That's the missing link. That has been the missing. He actually a piece of the puzzle. A winger who's very direct and intentional. And Magatuli Polam Jaka, it's always and that ability sometimes is the ability that gets you off your seat of the and like that. Yes, and in Dwanengane, that's why I'm saying before you understand the game, Jack, before you understand the game, over an understanding of the game. What you love first is in Dwanengane. And he brought me back, Mjaka, to my childhood because you first love the shape of the ball. You first love the green grass. You first love the sound of the whistle. You first love the beating a man. The love of Umuntu, Umshange 1-2, the love of Ukball, before you first understand the game. In Dwanengane understand that's in Dwanengane understand the importance that table from going and
winning. Yeah, exactly.
Of Rotary is so important in position. They don't have that understanding. But what they love and what we need to emphasize and understand in football is that attackers will always be the big stars in global football, and they always should be the big stars in football. And for me, I'm a big advocate of this. We cannot have Mjaka. I'm a attackers. I'm a defender are better than Amate. And Undlovu is a typical example of that. That Italian sometimes just needs to be nurtured. Italian sometimes needs to be cared for. The one thing that I would say, Mjaka, with him is last season, it's 4 goals and 6 assists. If you check his numbers. And sometimes football is a game of numbers. Data is important. Output is important. Maybe he was playing at the Golden Arrows and his numbers improved, but now he's playing with better players. The only thing is his numbers need to improve. Mfana, you need to score. Squishing, my message to you is for you to be a complete player, because yes, you from talent perspectives of credit, but the only thing I issue is you need to score. Because whatever you're doing, respect if agna assist, aguna goal. And those are the things about Chacha. But from what I've seen in that 15 minutes, I don't need 15 hours to see Upete in Gwenyam. I think Upete something different crave. I think if Futi Gwenyam also really craving, I think Mfana get to be mushroom sauce. I think we mushroom sauce, steak, mushroom sauce. If you want Gwenyam, you are too much. But before I glaze about you, I need goals from you this season. Goals.
But yeah, ati ke Squishy is the new Mshishi, ngusempagane lo Lindo, ngusempagane. And uyayazi ingxaki kugcwalise labala Lindo, 57 fans. Lo mfana uzokwazi ueda kule legacy kaMshishi, anyuse la number from 57 fans. Agcwalisa ibala fondini ihlobo ubuthetha ngalo izolo busithi ngathi ukunika la feeling bude uthi nabafana abancane bazobhala igama lakhe unala feeling guy.
I'm telling you intwana escase izobhala igama lale yantwana, and I'll tell you why. In KZN we need to break that market. Sometimes football is what there's a lot that happens in football, and sometimes kunezinto ezenza beyond football. And there's kunama-market ekumele siwabreak. Ifana nale ka-Olisanda. It's important for us to break the African market so that we can have fans in Africa, because we play a lot of CAF Champions League. It would be important for us to have Nigerian fans, Zimbabwean fans that support us. If Fernand was squishy, signing a player from Durban will help us to break that market. We already have a huge fan base in Durban, but bringing Musquishi, there's a lot of boys in KZN now. And KZN have inner support that will be Mamelodi Sundowns fans just because of Usquish and the influence and the impact. And what I'm looking for, what I want to see this year is not just performance. I want to see the impact that he has in his neighborhood at KZN as well, the support that he's going to get. Number 3, there's 5 teams in KZN this season. So there's a lot of games that Mamelodi Sundowns has to play in Durban. So the support as well, I'm expecting Guti Njalo Masi KZN is going to get game time, he's going to perform, and Noguti everybody's going to be supporting him in KZN.
Qalile ulindo madoda. Funeka simnike iring isika Alex Chakwane qha once. Simnike ubucwebe ka Alex Chakwane one time go. Sithi hayi ke Lindo, awuye pha eKZN, mhlawumbe sikunike nentoni ikhaka sithi awubangena Lindo. Ubaxelele ngeSundowns jaya.
That's all you need, Njaka. Sometimes that's all you need, right? And for the last 4 or 5 years, yes, maybe there's up and downs, but obviously it's always wanting the best for the football club, right? And I guess obviously if you want something good for the football club, you are always the one that takes the biggest hit. And I've taken the biggest hit, but I think people that genuinely know me know my level of care. But sometimes as an analyst, you get to a point where you say, should I care? But I think football is not just only about what you love. I think it gets to a point where you care. And when you start caring, I think you think from a place of, but I guess, yeah.
Yakuthethelela ibhola ke Sanda, ndakuxelela. One thing about ibhola yakuthethelela tata.
Yeah, one way.
Sundowns yawina. Thank you, mdlali.